Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I'm back. I'm going to start January Project Life. As you can see, I've already done the title card, which I'm still using the cameo cut from the Silhouette store. I'll explain more, but I've already got that done. I figured I would stop in quick. I normally don't do the before on my Project Life, but I figured I would stop in, do my little jar, pull, and show you what I got going on here. So I'm just gonna randomly choose. I decided that I was gonna do the jar for most of my projects, that being layouts and my Project Life. So the first one was frames, pattern paper, phrase stickers, all so far totally doable. I mean, everything's totally doable. Who are we kidding? Oh, Project Life card. I mean, let's be real, that's easy enough. Okay, so that's 4. This is 5. Ephemera. Let's pick a yellow one. This is 6. Oh, doilies. That could be difficult. And let's do light pink. Oh, 6x6 pads. So those kind of coincide with pattern paper, but I will specifically be using my 6x6 pads then, and not bigger sheets of pattern paper. Okay, so that's done. So kind of wanted to go through. I've got all my bits, my pictures, photos are printed, and any little bits that I want to maybe use, like this was left over from my title card, and actually this is just a printable from the Shelly Studio. It was a freebie in their store. It's still there. You can go head over to their website and grab it if you'd like. I actually used it on my New Year's Eve page, and so yeah, here I'm going to be using maybe another one because this was from that same printable. There's a January sticker in there, some more from the printables, and I will see where this goes. I'm not sure, but it'll be easy enough. And then as always, every month for every layout, will use my favorite Technique Tuesday die. So I'll put that in here. All right. Okay, so back at it. I am done, and just a quick reminder, a Project Life card frames, phrase stickers, ephemera, 6x6 pads, doilies, and pattern paper. Now, I had someone ask me, and I just want to declare, no, I don't stash bash because I have an exuberant amount of supplies. I love stash bashing just because it gets me to use some stuff. So, like 6x6 pads, I have 6 of them. That's it. So, you know, yes, I just want to use what I have. So that's a disclaimer because, someone kind of made a not so nice comment on one of my videos, and so that's it. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do a close-up. Sorry about my light here. And this is a fun flip, and then I will talk about it. Okay, so this pocket here, cameo cut from the Silhouette store. I just used the free Shelly Studio printable from their shop. You can still get it, it's still there. And just use some pattern paper behind the January. It's cardstock from my stash. This wonderful is an old Kelly Perky washi tape word, and I just put it on a Project Life card, or actually this is pattern paper. That I just pulled from one of my 6x6 pads, and just a puffy sticker. I believe that's Amy Tangerine. It's really old. This is the free printable 3 things I want to focus on this year, and I'll read through them. So get more creative with meals, try new recipes, use more kitchen tools, eat more mindfully. So one of my favorite, I'm gonna say YouTubers, but she's also someone I consider a friend, Shelly's Home Life. And she really inspires me. That's her channel. If I remember, I'll link it below. But she really inspires me to, make more meals and just, be more aware of the items that you're bringing into your home so you use them and they don't sit on your shelf. And, realistically, expiration dates wouldn't even be an issue if you just meal planned and bought and scheduled appropriately. So that's a goal. And use more kitchen tools. I have a ton of kitchen tools that I don't use and I want to. So 2, it's no secret, I have a sugar addiction, and so I'd like to cut back, and I'm doing good so far, but it's not easy, hashtag. So 3 is remember to be present and mindful. Every day is a gift. I'm so blessed in every way beyond belief. Oh, I see I spelled that wrong, so I'll have to go back and fix that. Easy peasy. Okay, so this one's for my birthday. This Celebrate was just an extra little bit from here. I just put it with some number stickers, 44. This is an Avery L tab. I just used some phrase stickers from Tim Holtz and put capture, memory, and then birthday girl is for my little birthday stash. This flip pocket is from Snap Studio, Snap. And I used my fuse tool to make it smaller. So, and then most of my friends know this, but I'm not the greatest cook, so let's refer to number 1 on the 3 things I want to focus on this year. It's not my strong suit. Okay, so next up, I bought myself a new necklace, and it's a Capricorn. So I used a January sticker, and yeah. Next is a frame that was on one of my product lists, and I used a clear sticker here. And I found an old Mickey button in my stash. Morning happiness, it's been a while. This is a stamp from Chic Tags. It's an oldie. Friends, I want to say, is an old Heidi Swap puffy sticker, and that's just a heart sticker for my stash. I Surrender is from this stamp, which I completely love. It's called Blah Blah Blah, and it's from Honeybee. They've got a couple different extensions onto this stamp if you're interested. It's fine. This is Life, Hello Every Day. These are my children's iPods, and so we're faced with a lot of technology struggles in my house. This is a chipboard from Allie Edwards, that free kit I won, AM PM. Just Perfect is a clear sticker from Mambi, and Evening is from the Allie Edwards. It's just a sunset on my street. I walked outside to the driveway. Okay, here's a flip of the other side. Remember, I'm only doing the same system I've always done, and that's 18 pockets with a title card. If I have extra pictures, that's when I incorporate one of the flip pockets. Okay, so starting up here, my son was in a little GOB contest at school, so I just used a piece of like ephemera. I stamped You Are So Awesome, and that is from another one of my favorites, which you guys have seen me use a ton, and this is called Cool Tag Banner Sentiments, and this is from Your Next stamp. I love this one. So I just stamped that, and this is kind of a slick surface, so I remembered to use Stays On. These are just 2 pieces of ephemera stars for my stash, and this is a piece of pattern paper I typed on. Recording Life is a Project Life card. I used an arrow for my stash and just put it here. My son was homesick. I used 2 more of the puffy stickers, they're little houses, and a Studio Calico clear vellum sticker that says Afternoon Naps Equal Pure Bliss. And then my son loves to paint little ceramic pieces, so this is what he does a lot of the days. So when he started feeling a little bit better, he got up and he pulled his paints out and he painted 2 little dogs because he would love a dog. He loves puppies. So yeah, and I just put a filter on it. This is from Book Club. We didn't actually read a book this year this month because time got away from us, but we did go and play some games, and it's just great to catch up with these ladies, and the conversation is wonderful. And this is actually from the Allie Edwards. It's a chipboard piece. This is Airtime. This Goals is actually one of the free printables from the Ellie Studio sheet that I showed you earlier, and I just put an epoxy bubble on it for my stash, made it look like a piece of flair. And I used my Technique Tuesday die on this one. Here is another piece of pattern paper. I used my typewriter. This is a Simple Stories sticker. I put a die cut heart in there and some music note stickers because we were listening to one of our favorite bands with some friends. These are just some word stickers. This is a piece of chipboard from Freckled Fawn. And Never Stop Loving, I want to say, is from Crate Paper. It's been in my stash for a while. But yeah, my kids can't stop, won't stop. They love skating, roller skating, ice skating, you name it. They're all about the skates. So this is a huge hockey town, so there's lots of ice arenas. Actually, one of the skaters that's going to be in the Olympics, one of the ice skaters, is from our town. So that's kind of fun. He started out at the rink that we skate at and made his way to speed skating. And yeah, he was on the speed skating team here. Anyway, so that is my layout. It's for January. It's going to go in my book. And I love it. It's 8.5 by 11. And these are the Hobby ATC baseball card trading card sheets that I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll put a link to my Facebook page and my Instagram. I'd love for you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and follow me over on my other social sites. And I'll put a link to my friend's video, her channel down below. She's really great. She's got a lot of cleaning, organizing, and those types of things. So, all right, guys, thanks. Bye.